Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions, but plans, executes, and adapts like a real coworker. That's the promise of Agentic AI, one of the most exciting and disruptive shifts in technology today. Traditional AI works reactively. You ask a question, it replies. But Agentic AI flips the script. You set a goal, and it figures out how to get there, breaking the work into steps, making decisions, and carrying them out automatically. Picture running a business. Instead of juggling endless spreadsheets, emails, and presentations, you simply tell your AI, launch a marketing campaign. The system researches your audience, drafts social posts, creates graphics, and suggests a posting schedule, all without micromanagement. Industry leaders believe this could be as transformative as the internet itself. NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang predicts Agentic AI will spread rapidly in the next 5 years. Imagine scientists with AI lab partners that design and run experiments, or logistics companies with fleets of robots rerouting themselves in real time. For individuals, the possibilities are just as powerful. An Agentic AI might negotiate travel deals, handle your online shopping, manage your schedule, and even coordinate with other AIs, becoming a digital coworker that never sleeps. Creative fields could also change. Musicians might use Agentic AI to plan tours, artists to organize exhibitions, or YouTubers to manage editing, posting, and analytics. Tasks that once required whole teams could be handled by an AI partner. But autonomy brings risks. What if the AI misinterprets your goal? Who's responsible if it makes a harmful or costly choice? Could jobs be automated away faster than society adapts? These ethical and economic questions are already sparking fierce debate worldwide. Still, history shows us a pattern. The internet reshaped communication. Smartphones reshaped daily life. And Agentic AI could reshape work itself. The difference is speed. This revolution isn't decades away. It's unfolding right now. So the big question is, will Agentic AI become your smartest partner, or the most disruptive force you've ever faced at work? Either way, the era of autonomous AI has already begun. Would you trust an AI to manage your projects or even make decisions on your behalf? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more explorations of the tech shaping our future.